Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Mark Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday, May 30th. Wow, end of the month and end of the week. Hope you guys had a wonderful short week here this week, and great upcoming plans here. We do got some important economic news releases going into today. We have the personal income for the month of April, so we had a 0.5% increase for the month of March, and it was supposed to taper down to zero point 0.3, and that came in that forecast. So good news right there. Consumer spending, we had back in March 1% growth. It was supposed to taper down to zero, and it actually pulled back even further. So it actually contracted in the month of April consumer spending. So not so good there, as we need people to keep the economy moving by spending money. Chicago PMI, this is the manufacturing in the Chicago region. So we had a 60, anything above, we had a 63, and it was supposed to taper down to 621, and it actually went upward. So actually good news there. Chicago PMI or manufacturing went up in Chicago, so good news there. And then on the other hand, we had consumer sentiment. So we had our initial reading this month because we'll get like a revision. So the final here is 81.9, which is the final revision from another revision for the initial reporting at 81. But the forecast is at 82.5 for the final, and actually, and this came down from 84. So people aren't feeling as comfortable or getting a little bit more leery about where the economy is moving. So this is kind of indications that confidence is kind of leaving, or at least kind of dissipating at this point. So that might be what we're seeing in the consumer spending. So something to be watchful for as we move forward, especially heading into the summer. Typically, obviously, people are a little bit better during the summertime, a little bit, go out and take vacations and stuff. Kids are out of school, those type of things. Stock market's down as a result. So a lot of the bad economic news brought the stock market down, and bond market pulled back quite a bit. So as you can see, we were well above the 106 level. Now we're just hanging around on the 105, probably around the 30 level right now. And as we saw, that's a pretty big drop. So as a result, basically interest rates have crept up over the last 24 hours here. All right, folks. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Obviously, not the greatest of news, but again, you got to take this with a grain of salt in the sense that rates are still at great levels right now, even though we had great, better numbers. As you can see, over the past month, they were at the highest. That was the highest levels over the last maybe 2-3 days. We've been experiencing just over the 106 as we have been at that level for quite some time. So enjoy your weekend, and again, if you're out there, I would definitely lock in and make sure you get these nice, comfortable gains in case it drops down further. All right, enjoy. Have a wonderful weekend. See you guys on Monday. Thanks again for watching.